welcome to your English class. Children, today we shall be doing the next lesson from your book Beehive, A Truly Beautiful Mind. This story is an account of the life and achievements of the famous scientist Albert Einstein. A truly beautiful mind, it signifies that a beautiful mind does not only have innovative ideas or it does not only make inventions, but throughout his life, how Einstein made sincere efforts in the well being of humanity. Science is considered to be both a boon and a bane. But then it is a boon if it is used for the welfare of mankind, and a bane if it is used to cause destruction. So, go through the video very carefully, understand the life of Albert Einstein. Now, children, coming to the summary of A Truly Beautiful Mind. Albert Einstein was born on 14th of March in 1879 in Ulm, Germany, and as a children, he never showed any trace of intelligence. Rather, he was a slow child who started speaking only after he turned 2.5 years old. Einstein was an introvert child who was termed brother boring by his playmates. So, most of the times that he played was all by himself and he loved mechanical toys. Once, the headmaster of his school gave a very negative report about him, stating that he would never succeed in any profession. Still, Einstein started to learn playing the violin at a young age of 6 as per his mother's wish. He maintained the skill for the rest of his life and became a gifted violinist. Einstein proved to be a very good student as he scored good marks while studying in a school in Munich. However, he loved freedom and felt suffocated because of the stern discipline at school. He thus left school in Munich and shifted to German-speaking school in Switzerland to keep up his studies in a liberal environment. Einstein was exceptionally intelligent in mathematics and was very much interested in physics. After finishing school, he joined the university in Zurich, where he fell in love with a Serbian fellow student, Mileva Mari, whom he married afterwards. Einstein could not easily find a job after graduating from the university in 1900. However, when he found a job as a technical assistant in a patent office in Bern in 1902, he continued his own research in physics. It was in 1905 that he published a paper of special theory of relativity and came out with the formula E is equal to mc square, that is, energy is equal to mass into the speed of light. This theory of Einstein gained him worldwide acclaim. By this time, Einstein had got married to Mileva and he had 2 sons. However, the marriage could not continue for long, and after their divorce in 1919, he married his cousin Elsa. Einstein rose to international fame by publishing his general theory of relativity in 1915. His first findings were proclaimed as a scientific revolution, and he was awarded with the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. He emigrated to America in 1933 when the Nazis came to power in Germany. 5 years later, American physicists became upset at the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin. They were afraid that Nazis could build an atomic bomb with this discovery. Einstein wrote a letter to the American President Franklin D. Roosevelt regarding the massive destruction power of a nuclear bomb. This letter had a serious impact, and the Americans secretly prepared their own atomic bomb, which they dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. Einstein was shaken terribly by this inhuman act. He wrote another letter to the United Nations proposing the formation of a world government. But this letter did not have any impact. However, over the rest of his life, Einstein championed the cause of peace and democracy. He earned fame for being a scientific genius and a world citizen by the time he died in 1955. He was 76 years of age when he died. I hope all of you have understood the lesson. Do go through your textbooks, do read the lesson well. In case of any doubts or queries, do post in the comment section of the Google Classroom. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you all children.